How to go back on Android device. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can go back on your Android device. So on Android device, there are several ways to go back to your previous screen, depending on the version of your Android and the device you are using. Here's the process how to go back on Android in different scenarios. First step is that you can use the back button for the device with the navigation bar. Most Android devices with the navigation bar, the state of the button at the bottom of the screen, have a dedicated back button. So here you can have your back button. You can tap on the back button, usually represented by a left arrow icon. So after tapping on the left arrow icon, which is located at the bottom left of the screen here, which will take you to the previous page. So the many Android devices use the gesture-based navigation instead of traditional navigation bar with button. In this case, you will swipe up the gesture to go back. Like this. Once you have opened up your Chrome or any of the browser here, you have to swipe from the left of the edge of the screen like this, and you will navigate to your page. Also, you can swipe off. If you swipe off from the bottom of the screen, you can go back to your home screen. So here you can see that. After swiping here, you can also delete the all recent app. So this is the simple step how you can go back on your Android device depending on your Android version and modern technology. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.